All right, so in this problem, we are graphing this parabola here. So the first thing we need to do is find our vertex. Our vertex formula, we have to start off x equals negative b over 2a. So we have our equation the way we want it. We know a is always in front of my x squared, which is 1. My b is negative 3, and my c is negative 10. So when I plug this in to find my x value, I get the opposite of b, so it's going to be positive 3 over 2 times 1. So my x value is going to be 3/2. So my vertex so far, I have 3/2. Now to find my y value, I'm taking this 3/2 and I'm plugging it in wherever there is an x. So I get 3/2 squared minus 3 times 3/2 minus 10. Okay, when I multiply all that out, I get negative 12 and 1/4. Okay, so my y value is negative 12 and 1/4. All right, so now I'm going to plot that on my graph here. So let's see. We have 3/2, which is about 1.5, and then down 12 and 1/4. So let's extend this a little bit longer. 12 and 1/4, just a little bit past it. Okay, so about there. Next, I need to figure out where it crosses my x and y axes, so that'll help me figure out which way my parabola goes. So now I need to set x equal to 0 to find one of my points. So I get 0 squared minus 3 times 0 minus 10. 0 minus 0 minus 10 gives me negative 10. So I have a point 0, negative 10. Okay, 0, negative 10 is right here. That's where it crosses my y-axis. And then I need to now set y equal to 0 to find more points to see where it crosses the x-axis. So y equals 0. So 0 equals x squared minus 3x minus 10. To solve this, I need to break it up into my two parentheses. It's going to be x minus 5, x plus 2. Set each of these equal to 0. We get x equals 5. And x equals negative 2. So at negative 2, we're putting a dot. And x equals 5, we're putting a dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we can connect all these dots to form my parabola. Now your axis of symmetry is always a straight line that goes through your vertex. So my axis of symmetry is located right there, which would be at, goes through the x-axis at 3/2. So my axis of symmetry is x equals 3/2.